of these strategies, because they are essentially strategies for trying to get our needs met. We all have needs. We can't deny the fact that we have needs. We need for validation, need for survival, need
Mm.
for comfort, connection, the need for touch, the need for validation. All of these are absolutely basic human needs, and we live in a very big community now, a very big wide world, and most of us are not getting our needs met. And so we
Yeah.
learn as children we witness in the people around us how they use these strategies to get their needs met. We learn that not that asking for what I want gets us into trouble, because
Mm.
what we want is not right for some people, depending on our environment and our culture and our parents' beliefs and or our caregivers' beliefs or our schooling or any of those things. We learn very quickly what's right and what's wrong. So when we have a need, we employ these strategies to get those needs met, because the needs don't go away even if we deny them. And
Yeah.
so, we grow up witnessing having these consent violations in our awareness, both acted against and acting against others. So, again, it comes
Yeah.
back to this non-judgmental and just bringing these things to awareness. It's really massively important, because how can
Yeah.
we respect our own boundaries when we don't? How can we respect other people's boundaries when we don't respect our own?